In this vermicelli bowl, it has spring rolls, stir-fried beef and onion, and some vegetable, and the sweet fish sauce. And this type of rice vermicelli noodle, very easy to make. This type of rice vermicelli noodle is very easy to cook. And here there is 5 bundles like this. And you only need hot water. Pour the water that you just boiled. Make sure that it's fully covered the noodles. You can cover and set timer for exactly 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes, the noodle is soft and you just pour it out and drain out all the water. In a deep fryer, you can fry them 8 to 10 minutes. After 8 minutes, you can cook it between 8 to 10 minutes, depending on your deep fryer. Sweet fish sauce, my new recipe. In a bowl, combine 1/4 cup of fresh lime juice, 1/4 cup of fish sauce, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 tablespoon of white vinegar, minced or shredded garlic, 2 cups of water, Thai sweet chili sauce, 1 tablespoon, shredded carrot for color. Okay, now just stir to dissolve the sugar. You also can put some Thai chili if you want it spicy. And that is it. Stir-fry beef and onion. Some cooking oil. Turn to high heat and minced garlic, 5 cloves. Fry the garlic until it turns lightly brown. Sliced onion, 1 medium. And after you put in the onion, you also can put in the beef. Thin sliced beef, 500 grams. Stir it a bit. And 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of chicken powder. And now we can stir fry. And 2 tablespoons of water. To make the cornstarch slurry, 2 tablespoons of water and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Pour it in. Stir fry until the sauce thickens, and after that, the stir fried beef is done. This type of stir fried beef, you can have it with rice, and a lot of time we use this type of stir fried beef to put in the vermicelli bowl along with the spring roll. I'll show you. Stir fried beef and onion. And delicious spring rolls.